Hi, my name is Tom Pullen. I'm the founder and CEO of innoflix. innoflix is a new online platform designed by innoflix which trains people in large companies in how to innovate. Through our work with large companies, we see that all of them want to innovate bigger, better, faster, but they don't always have in place the training that the teams need in order to make that happen. It feels like innovation isn't being covered well enough by existing corporate training programs. So the first thing is that all innoflix content has been developed specifically for the needs of large established companies. It's not like some of the more generic innovation material you might find on other platforms. The second thing is that all innoflix content has been designed and developed with senior talents, each of whom has at least 15 years of corporate innovation experience. It's not content from consultants who tell you what to do, but rather coaching from experienced corporate innovators who show you how to do it. The third thing is that innoflix has been designed really to fit into the reality of corporate life and also to be super actionable. Each module contains a series of short video tutorials, downloadable cheat sheets and templates to help transform learning into action immediately. innoflix is designed to respond to the needs of all key functions who are required to make innovation happen within large organizations. So marketing teams, innovation teams, and R&D teams. It's also an ideal solution for HR teams who are now being increasingly asked to build innovation competency and culture. innoflix can be used in many different contexts, from company-wide innovation initiatives to onboarding new team members or helping a specific project team working on an innovation project. And it can also be integrated into existing corporate training programs. We hope to see you there.